Good morning and welcome everybody to the channel Bloat's Garage. It is Saturday, bright and early. I am at Chicago Auto Pros to get the car paint corrected finally. Let me give you a quick walk around of it. It is absolutely covered in pollen and dust from all the construction. You can just see how dirty that is. There's a few spots that I want them to pay particular close attention to. This area right here, where the previous owner was walking and getting out of the car, looks pretty tore up. But other than that, you can't really tell if there's any swirl marks or anything because there's no sun out right now. But there's one more spot that's a little bit dirty, which is right here. Dealer installed. When I went to get my fuel pump recall done, this was done, so hopefully they could buff that out a little bit to make it a little cleaner than it is. But other than that, I can't really show you the minimal swirls that there is in the paint because it's pretty cloudy out today. But we're gonna be here, we're gonna get some footage of them working, and then this car is gonna be looking mint, and we're gonna be applying the ceramic coating later in the day. So stay tuned for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe because it means a lot to me if you do. Alright guys, so that process you just saw there, the guys basically rinsed the car down, got most of the dirt off. washed it, did the wheels. I just used Iron X to get rid of all the commercial fallout that's embedded in the paint. Then they clay barred the car, rinsed it off, so now it is squeaky clean and ready to get polished. Stay tuned for that step. This place is great. The guys are all great. Jason is amazing. You want to see how they work on the cars here. They are very open and transparent, so if you want to come, record, see them work, come on over. They're willing to show you how they work, what they do. It's a great place to bring your car to get it protected. Definitely recommend it. As the guys are prepping my car, I gotta show you these calipers. These are the biggest calipers I've ever seen in my life. Make sure you check out Jason's YouTube channel, Chicago Auto Pros, because he's gonna have some extra clips of the GSF in his videos, and his videos are top notch. As you can see behind me, they are going at it, polishing the paint to get it nice and perfect. Such a clean shop here at Chicago Auto Pros. Everything is swept, there's no dirt on the floors. They got everything organized, all the top-notch products. Expel for paint protection. I believe they use Lumar for their window tint. Everything is amazingly organized. Let me show you around their setup that they got here. Of all their fluids and everything. I mean, look at this. This is insane. Looks like some kind of mad wizard designed this, but it works and it helps them get their job done efficiently with all the lines that they have feeding into these channels here. They're able to do what they need to do. This Porsche is getting finished up with the vinyl wrap. You could see from the last time I was here, the doors were not even on. Now they got the doors on. This is where the lower rocker panel goes onto, so they're not going to wrap that because there's going to be a piece on top of that that covers it. But there's the original color of the car. The man himself is checking out the GSF, make sure it's perfect. That's what you like to see.
Not too bad, man. Just some minor swirls, not too bad.
Yeah, for 2 years old, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Right? This is why you bring your cars to Chicago Auto Pros, because the master of them all is getting his hands dirty, putting in work on a Saturday to get my car looking clean. All these little nail marks that you have from people opening the door, he's getting those out, while his guys are on the other side polishing and compounding to get this paint swirl free. Jason, I really appreciate you. Thank you for letting me film and record.
Absolutely, man.
Your shop is the best, man. Alright guys, I got Fabio in there working on the GSF, paint correcting the paint. I think that's enough footage of, you know, him just compounding and polishing the car. He's gonna go around, do the whole thing. I will come back later, pick up the car when it's finished, and I'll give you kind of a walk around. Hopefully the sun comes out so you could see the reflection and how they get rid of all the fine swirls. What's up guys? Back at Chicago Auto Pros, the car is done, sitting behind me nice and clean. No scratches, no swirl marks. They did a great job on it. It's not sunny out, so I can't really give you a good example of how it came out, but it looks phenomenal. I'm gonna get it home, get that ceramic coating applied to it so the paint is protected, and we'll see you back in the garage. All right guys, the sun has come out. Let me see if I could get some quality shots here of the paint in the sun here. I mean, there are no swirls in this bad boy. Looks so good. What's up guys, we're back in the garage. I have my Adams ceramic coating here with me. Let me unbox it for you guys, show you what's inside. Alright, so Adams includes a instruction manual, what to do, so make sure you read through this. I'll give you the short and sweet version of this. First, you have to make sure your car has been paint corrected, so the paint is fresh, no swirl marks, no scratches, because you don't want to put a ceramic coating on top of the scratches because it's just going to hold it and you're going to see all the ceramic and the scratches underneath it. So you're going to start by coating prep. You're going to spray this all over your car, wipe it down to remove any dust, dirt before you apply the paint coating. They provide you with 2 applicator pads which you're going to use to apply the actual coating. The coating's in this big bottle. You have enough to probably do 2-3 cars. So what you're going to do is open the cap, dab it on, close the cap so it doesn't air out and crystallize, because this is a ceramic coating, so it crystallizes and it could dry out. You're going to go across the paint as I'm going to show you, and then once the whole car is done, you're going to wait 12 to 24 hours, even longer if you can, before you hit any water or anything on this. No water should touch the paint while this is curing. After that period of time, you will go back in and use ceramic boost. This is what's gonna give the car that sleek, slippery finish and beading action to the paint. So you go over a couple passes to make sure it's leveled, and then you're gonna wait to look for a rainbow effect as it starts drying, usually within 30 seconds, and then you can come on in and buff off the residue. And depending on the temperature, the hotter the day, it might rainbow effect a lot quicker, but we're in about 65-degree garage, so I'm gonna wait about the full 35 seconds and go from there. All right. Now this will be a little sticky as you come in to buff it off, and that's normal. And make sure you wipe it off completely, because if you don't get part of it off, it will be visible when it cures. But that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole car just like that, and we'll bring you in tomorrow when it finally cures.